Good morning. I'm Kajali Sarkar from Adarsh Vidya Mandir Shankar Vidyapeeth. Today we will talk about the topic changing environment, and this is from history, second chapter of class 6. Here we will talk about that approximately 12,000 years ago there was a great climatic change. It is believed that the worldwide there was a shift of climate towards relatively warmer condition, and this influenced a lot in the lives of ancient men. These led the changes like development of grassland. So many grasslands, so many areas where the ices melt and the areas become warmer, so grassland develop. As the grassland developed, grass-eating animals also increased. So the people who were hunters, so they got more animals for hunting. Other than that, fishing became important. This happens because as the ice melts, so in many places rivers, lakes develop. So automatically fishing also become an important occupation. People catch fishes for their regular fooding. Next, the grain bearing grass like rice, wheat, barley grew, and this led the starting of agriculture. From here only agriculture started because as people started caring about these grasses, especially their seeds, that how these seeds grow and these can be used as food. So they started growing these, and it is believed probably from this only, when after the change of environment only agriculture started, and when the grass eating animal increased, automatically people as they are getting more animals to catch, it is not possible to eat regularly one animal, so slowly they shifted to herders, because so many animals they can catch, and these grass eating animals are timid in nature comparatively. They are not wild, so in that case they can be catched and kept at home. So from these only herding and farming started. Next, one of the important thing we got in this time, the use of fire started. How we can guess this? Traces of ashes were found in archaeological excavation. This proves that maybe ancient men at this stage knew about the fire. It may be a trace of forest fire, but after forest fire only, afterwards also traces shows that they used fire. Probably they used fire for following things, like some of the people may use for scaring animal, as the if outside their caves they lit fire, and due to that heat and light the wild animals did not come near that place, so they remain safe. Other than that can or may they were cooking food on that, cooking food in sense they are not cooking food in like now what we do, they are roasting their meat there. The raw meat may be comparatively harder, but once may they use that or ate that meat that was roasted in any of the forest fire. So they felt that the roasted meat is softer and easier to digest, and they started using fire for roasting meat. Other than that, the fire and the light, it can help them for the warmth or for the other source of light. So it is there that now they started using fire. These changes brought a lot of change in the life of human being, because as they become more good hunter, they have more animal to hunt, automatically they will make more tools, better tools, so that now they can hunt faster, as well as they will develop thread with the help of grass or anything else, because they need to tie the animals which are catched, which are not hunted just to eat today. So they made that, so they started slowly, it's the introduction of weaving only. They started making thread of grasses, then finally they make clothes. And this, they not only the agriculture developed with grain bearing grass, but also it developed housemaking also, because if they started agriculture, so they have to stay in one place, and as the people are staying in one place, automatically they have to make house, because caves are natural shelter and they are not available everywhere. Rather, these people grew their crops near rivers. As those are near houses slowly